Wait a minute, before we even get to this lovely nightmare fuel, we're gonna have to make the head first. Be sure to stick around to the end to see the complete slim look. Chin is made with latex and paper to build up the shape, paper towels, and cotton to refine. Grab your head form of choice, apply some layers of latex. Took a styrofoam half sphere and cut a good portion off the bottom. Stuff the gaps with cotton. Get it all in place with some latex soaked paper towels and let dry. For the ears, use latex and cotton on a smooth, flat surface, and just build up the basic shapes. Add some cotton and latex where the ears are going to go. Pieces of latex paper towels to hold the front area to the head. Soaked balls of cotton to make the cheeks. Latex thickened with flour to smooth and build up the areas. And add more details to the ears. Paint white with a mix of acrylic paint and Beta Bond Plus or Pros-Aide. Sponge a few layers to fully cover. Spatter Skin Illustrator Soot, Black Skin Illustrator, paint shadows and contours. Lightly mark the hairline. Apply Beta Bond Plus and let it get tacky and start to lay down the red hair in rows, adding some adhesive to the ends. Use foam clay to make the balls and forms that will attach to the top of the head. Paint on a mixture of red acrylic and adhesive. Glued the forms on with Beta Bond thickened with Cabasil. Carefully add the hair around the forms and more Beta Bond on the edges. Time to style the rest of the head. Grab Got To Be Glued freeze spray and don't be shy with the product. The hair around the forms are styled and trimmed. Cut holes into each of the balls. Use some hot glue to add the balls. Cut out some pink felt for the collar. Let's do an easy no-sew method. Apply liquid stitch and lines on the felt to glue down a thin red ribbon. Take white or silver ribbon for the end, hot glue, and then fold it over and glue down the rest of the back. Use a glue stick to get down those eyebrows. Telesis 8F silicone adhesive to glue down the chin. Added some mesh material to the edges to give it more surface to grab to. Put some powder on a stomper to push down those sticky edges. Stipple latex over the edges to blend into the skin. And glue the head down doing the same thing. Mehron Paradise paint in white. Cover all the exposed skin. Spatter Skin Illustrator Soot, and Mehron Storm Cloud sketch out the markings. Light blue Paradise paint for the eye markings, and Mehron Beachberry for the mouth and cheeks. Airbrush Skin Illustrator Black for contouring and shading wrinkles. Paradise paint in purple to fill in around the eyes. Mehron Star Blend in black, create wrinkles and dimension around the eyes and face. Highlights with Mehron White. Mehron Star Blend in white, add some soft highlights to the center of the lower and upper eyelid. Star Blend in purple for shading the inner and outer eye area. Mehron Edge in black, line the shadows and really define the wrinkles. Mehron Edge in white for those really bright, stark highlights. Airbrushed a little more black around the eyes. Put in the contacts, nose, and the cherry on top, the teeth. Now that you're a clown, you might want some grub. Check out the Creature Cauldron for a fun Killer Klown treat.